Yet the left ignore the mass atrocities and racial violence being committed against white people.
Kiti Kiti Kitima Simran Konto Alliance shoot to kill Kamaza, kill the poor, the farmer, kill the poor, the farmer. Brr, pa, pa, brr, pa, pa. Attention.
And this is only happening quite recently, but this is allowed to happen. But if it is a white person, they won't last a day before being arrested for instigating violence. That is the harsh reality of what is waiting, and I cannot be honest and say I wish it don't happen in Europe.